Hello friends, my name is Ankit Kumar and in the series of solving HackerRank problem, today we are going to solve our next problem which is based on class. So you can read different things from here about class. So for that I am going to input format. So here you can see that we have given 4 lines, as you can see there in the sample input, as there is 4 lines, and the first line contains the uh, age of the student. So first is the age, 15 is the age, and the second line will contain the string consisting of lowercase, and it is the first name of student. So John is the first name, and this one is the last name, and that 10 is the standard of student. So for this input we have to print in this format. So for that I am going to code. So first of all, here you can see that in the comment section we have to create a class named as student. So here class, and its name will be student. So student. Now this is fine. I think our class is created. So yeah, this is okay. And the next thing we have to go with some integer type values as age standard, so, and some string type values as first name and the last name. So for declaring these variables I am copying from here and pasting over here. So you can see these are the variables in this class. So uh, these are the private variables. So I am using here SSS specifier as a private. So private, and next thing we have to define these functions over here: set age and set standard, set first name and set last name. So these are the public functions. So I will use another specifier as public. So public, and then now I will define these functions over here. So first of all we have to, sorry, the name of student is wrong. Now we have to use first of set age. So I am using as set age, and this is wide, and set age, and here we have to pass a value of integer type. So I am using int, and it is basically age. So I am using a, and now I will assign the value of a in age. So for that I am using a, and now next thing we have to return the value of age. So for that I am returning the value. So it is integer type, so int, and get age, we have to use function get age. As you can see from here, we have to return the value in get age. So for that I am using get age, then I will return the value of age. So here return age. Now it will return the value of age. And next is for standard. So I will use at wide set standard. You can see from here wide set standard. So I am using set standard, and now we have to deal with integer type value. So I will use int, and it is standard so far, yes. So next thing I will uh, assign the value of standard in standard. So standard, and here standard equal to s. That's it. And the next thing we have to return the value. So for that I am using int, and get standard. As you can see from here, get standard, and now get standard, and here I will return the value of standard. Standard return standard, this one. That's it. And next thing we have to deal with set first name. So for that I am using set first name, void set first name, sorry, and here, yeah, the name is the string type, so I am using string first name, so for fn, and here I will assign the value of fn in the first name. So first name equal to fn, and now we have to return the value, so string type string and get first name. And it will return the value of first name. And then next we have to go with the last name, I think so. It is void type of void set a last name, sorry, set last name, and here it is of type is string, so I am using string as ln for last name, and here it will return I will assign the value of ln in last name, so last name equal to ln, and here we have to return the value, so int get last name as you can see here we have to use get last name, so I am using it get last name, and it will return the value of last name. So this is fine for now, and the next function is we have to define over here, you can see as a string to string, so for that I am coding over here as a string type to string and to string, and here nothing, and next thing I will use a string stream ss, so that we can interchange the values as integer to string and string to integer, so string stream, and I will give a name as ss, and the next thing we will print the values as ss. First of all we have to print the age of student, as you can see here, then comma, then first name, then comma, then last name, then comma, then standard. So for that I am going to code as you can see, first of all we have to print over here age, so I will use age, and the next thing we have to print comma, so comma, and the last name first name, sorry, first name, and then comma, and then last name, and then comma, sorry, then comma, and the standard. So this is fine for now, I think. Next thing we have to return the value, so return ss dot str, and it will return the this thing. So now I think this is fine, but something is error over here, you can see. First of all I will check for comma, as you can see something error over here is showing, and here we have to we have returned as integer type, but is it of string type, so string, and now you can see it is fine. So when I will run the code now, then you can see the desired output over. So this is our output, you can see it is our output, and this one is the expected output. So this is fine, and now we will discuss the next problem in the next video. Thank you.